Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This was a set of foreign world coins, lot of 7, and it said that it had one 1800s coin, one 1700s coin, one silver, and one low mint coin. I paid $59.51 for this set, and I purchased it mainly for 2 coins in here. And I'll show you those 2 coins once we get it open. So, let's see what we've got. Oh, double bagged. Thank you for your purchase. That's always nice when sellers put a little note in there thanking you for your purchase. Sorry about this. I can't exactly tell where the top of the coins start and stop, and I don't want to cut into them. They made it so they would not move around at all in this bag. Okay, fine. These are the 7 coins all laid out, and I bought this set mostly for these 2 coins right here. The first coin that we have right here is a Massachusetts Colonial copper coin, a 1-cent coin from 1788. The next coin over is going to be a China coin, Republic of China, from 1920. It is a 20 cash. Next one is a Costa Rica 2006 500 colones. The final one in that row is a Japanese 5 sen from World War II, 1942 coin. And starting on the next row here, this is one of the other coins I bought the set for. This is an India coin when the British had conquered them and formed the East India Company from 1808. It's a 10 cash coin during the Madras presidency. Next coin is a Netherlands Antilles coin from 1957. It's a 1/4 golden. That is 64% silver, so that's a very nice coin. It says that's the low mintage coin in the set. And the final coin there is a New Zealand 1963 1 penny. Now I'll show you each of the coins individually. Okay, this is the Massachusetts Colonial 1-cent coin from 1788. Give you a little bit of side lighting here. And show you the reverse. Give you a little side lighting. As I do some more research on this coin, I really believe this is a fake. I do not believe this is a real Massachusetts copper coin from 1788. Looking at some known standards, and one of the things that sticks out particularly is the eagle on the back. Does not seem to be the same standardized eagle that are on some known standards that I've been looking at. Also, the text does not look like any known example I've seen. It looks very much hand done, not stamped on like all the other known standards I've checked. This side looks more authentic, at least the picture. Native American on it looks very authentic. However, again, the lettering does not look authentic, and I'm going to be very surprised if this is actually a real Massachusetts copper colonial coin. But these are the risks you run with eBay. Okay, got the scale out here, and as I suspected, this is probably going to be a fake coin. This should be 10 grams, and I'm coming up between 5.3 and 5.5 grams, so Probably a fake coin. When I was looking at this listing on eBay, however, the pictures were very grainy and not very detailed, so I could not tell what kind of text it had on it. Checking it for size, it is supposed to be 28 millimeters in diameter, and it is coming up at about 27 millimeters, which, for its irregular shape and the fact the edges may be worn off, I could probably overlook that, but it's still a millimeter off. And at this point, I'm pretty certain this is indeed a fake coin. Sometimes they make these copy coins, and they make some reproduction coins, these famous coins, and usually they'll say copy on them. And I gotta wonder if this rusted area here is where it did say copy and somebody just scratched that off. So I'm really certain the individual who sold this to me probably knew this was a fake, or should have known at least. The next coin we have is a Republic of China 20 cash coin from 1920. Let's see what side lighting does. I'll show you the other side. The next coin we have is a Costa Rica 500 colones coin from 2006. And we'll give you a little side light. Show you the other side. The next coin is a Japan 5 sen coin from 1942 during the World War II years. It's in okay condition. Show you the other side. That top character right here is actually the character for 5 in Japanese, the number 5. And the bottom character is probably the character for sen. Give you some side light. This next coin is the India 10 cash coin from 1808. This was actually under the East India Company, and this was the other valuable coin in the set that I purchased this set for. According to the sleeve on the coin flip, it said it was worth $50. I'm going to have to research that. I'm not sure if it's worth quite that much, especially it's not in the greatest condition. It doesn't have a lot of detail to it, especially on the shield there. You can see a little more detail with some lighting, but you don't have much detail there. I'll show you the other side. On the reverse of this 10 cash coin, we have up above, it has the value of the coin there, and that is actually Persian that is written in on the top. And on the bottom it's English, and it has X cash, which is the Roman numeral X, which means 10. Give you some side one. Okay, the next coin is the 1/4 golden coin from the Netherlands Antilles from 1957. And this coin is nicely 64% silver, so that gives it a little bit of value. I'll show you the reverse. Really a nice coin there. And this is the final coin in the set. This is a 1963 New Zealand penny, with, of course, Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. I'll show you the reverse. If I can get it right. New Zealand 1963 penny. Well, all in all, a really nice coin set that we got there. I am kind of annoyed about the Massachusetts Colonial 1 cent there probably being a forgery or a counterfeit. It's probably meant to be a reproduction coin. It said copy on it, and somebody purposely removed where it said copy. But we've got some other nice coins in there. And the East India coin from 1808 would actually make up the value of what I spent on this coin set, really. But I'm going to take that to a coin shop in my area just to authenticate that it is indeed counterfeit and not a real one. But between the East India coin there, the Chinese cash coin, and the Netherlands quarter golden, we probably have more value than what was paid for this set. So I'll throw up a list here in the next frame, and I'll give you the values as well for everything once I work them out. So please feel free to comment in the comment section below. Let me know if you think that this is a counterfeit Massachusetts Colonial coin as well. Or comment on anything else you see here, whether you like these coins or whether you think this is a nice set. And as always, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Good night.